sophomore year.
I wouldn't know.
And you're like, they look all goofy.
Wait.
What?
Ha
Funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, whatever. What to talk about?
Well, I guess we could.
Welcome to the Elizabeth and Michelle News Show.
In other news,
Webcam
big.
ridiculousness.
Yeah. It's a cool fellow, isn't it?
Yeah, what? Block my face, why don't you? Gee. You're horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, forget about Elizabeth. Check out my pillow.
Is it a cool pillow, big red thing?
Wow.
So, I guess
seriousness. It must be serious.
Very serious indeed.
Very
Mm.
serious. Bird poop! We are not mature.
Poops on Elizabeth.
You know what? If the bird was going opposite direction, it would be bird poop on you. Let's switch spots and see how you like it. Being pooped on virtually.
I like it this way.
Bird
poop!
It didn't poop on me, so there.